Hey, how's it going? It's Alex, and today I want to show you this really nice sofa, convertible sofa actually that the brand sent to me for this review. After putting it together, let's talk about the assemble. It comes almost assembled. You don't have to do anything else than just putting the four legs. Once that you put the four legs, that's it. That's everything you need to do, and takes you kind of like probably like 5 minutes, no more than that, 10 minutes tops, and then it's ready to go. This one actually measures 66 inches by 32 by 29.5, and since it is convertible, once that you put it like in the bed mode, this one goes up to 37 inches wide. And I have to say, we tried it and two people can fit this perfectly, like here perfectly, so that's actually pretty good. This is meant to be more for like a movie night, or if you're kind of like having this in your office or in your studio or something like that, this could be really good. I don't think this is meant to be like a main sofa, but since it's convertible, it could be really good to have in like your home studio, like your office, or like your entertaining room. And then if you have people that is visiting, they can actually sleep over here up to 2 people. So let me actually show it to you on a close-up. But the bottom line is, I think that this is a really cool one. It's actually pretty comfortable. It comes with these 2 pillows that you can actually remove for when the people are coming or something like that. So that's pretty actually convenient. Something super cool. Let me actually show you. So here you're gonna actually see that you have cup holders. So you can actually put up to 2 drinks, as I was saying before. If you're kind of like up to for like a movie night or something like that, you have space right here for 2 drinks. So you have one person here, the other person there, or you can actually remove it super easily, just like this. Boom, and you have a third person right here in the middle. Let's go for a close-up. So things that I like, the first one is for sure how easy it is to remove, getting in front of the camera now, and that you have these 2 pillows that you can remove. And then once that you had, and it's ready for kind of like going on a bed position, let me actually show you. As I was saying before, 66 inches. So you do this, now it's ready. And that's it. That's everything you need to do. Now it goes to 37 inches. I was saying before, 2 person can fit like perfectly here. This is for 1, as you can see right here. It's super comfy. I'm 5'10" actually, so you can see that my feet are kind of like, I'm gonna be out of the frame, but that's intended. This is more for like people crashing in your place or something like that. I don't think it's meant to be for just sleeping every single night here. So you put those 2 pillows here, as I was saying you before, and you have right here, super comfy, super nice. It feels super nice, I have to say. It's kind of like super comfy, and I'm getting sleepy already. But the good thing about this one also is that the PU leather, it's super easy to wash and super easy to clean as well. So if you have pets or something like that, you can actually, nothing's gonna happen to this. That's the bottom line. And then once you're ready to go back to the entertaining mode, that's it. You can see they have like multiple positions. So this is it, ready to go, and back to the 66 by 32 by 29.5. I really like this one. Super easy to assemble, nice details with the chrome legs as well, and for sure with the 2 pillows, and super nice for entertaining movie night, or just having someone crashing your place and inviting them to sleep on your place as well. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.